To have the workforce plans and the workforce development plans already thought through was gold, really, just to have that in place and to be therefore able to make quick decisions about how we grew our workforce and where. Neumann Contractors is the company that I'm responsible for, and Neumann Contractors is part of the Neumann Group based on the Gold Coast. As with most business entities throughout Australia during the virus issues, we needed to focus on our workforce strategies.
Workforce planning and development was to both survive and thrive. In March last year, we had approximately 74 employees, and we currently have approximately 116. They realised the benefits of the workforce planning and that it was going to make their life a lot easier in the long run. We had to spend the time to concentrate on the strategic planning and thoroughly understand where we needed to be. There's been an increase in efficiencies, productivity and profitability. We're looking at continuous improvement. 2021 through to now, our business turnover for the Neumann Contractors Group will nearly have doubled. So if you stand back from your business and identify the workforce gaps that you have, there's only benefit in a proactive approach.